Welcome to your crash course in live sound troubleshooting. Whether you're behind the soundboard or just starting out, this guide will help you tackle any audio challenge with confidence. Let's dive in and make your next show sound amazing. No sound? Stay calm. Start at the source. Check if the mic or instrument is powered and turned up. Next, inspect the cable. Make sure it's plugged in at both ends. Swap with a known good cable if needed. At the mixer, check that the channel isn't muted, the fader is up, and gain is set. Follow the signal to the amps and speakers. Are they on and connected? Volume's up? Trace each link in order, don't skip steps. You'll find the problem fast and get the show back on track. Hum or buzz. First, plug all your audio gear into the same power strip to avoid ground loops. Still noisy? Swap out any damaged or cheap cables. For long cable runs, always use balanced XLR cables. Keep audio cables away from power cables to prevent interference. Feedback, the dreaded squeal, can stop a show cold. It's a sound loop. Mic picks up speaker, sends it back, gets louder. Rule 1, never point mics at speakers or monitors. Place speakers in front of mics. Monitors should aim at the mic's least sensitive side. Use EQ to cut problem frequencies. Ring out monitors before the show. If feedback starts, lower the monitor or main volume or cut the offending frequency. Balance the monitor mix. Sometimes less is more. Encourage performers to hold mics close. Less gain means less feedback. Feedback is preventable with smart setup and quick action. Master this, and you'll sound pro. The show's on and something fails. A mic, a cable, a laptop. Great techs are prepared, not lucky. Your gig saver bag, spare mic, extra XLR and instrument cables, adapters, fresh batteries, gaffer tape, flashlight, multi-tool. Keep it at the mix position. Communicate with your team. Hand signals or talkback mic help. If you're solo, move quickly and calmly. A calm tech inspires confidence. Use a pre-show checklist. Power, inputs, mutes, batteries. Checklists aren't just for beginners, they're for pros. Preparation turns disasters into minor hiccups. When something goes wrong, breathe, identify, fix. Your toolkit, physical and mental, is your superpower. Be ready, and you'll handle anything. We've traced signals, killed hum, stopped feedback, and prepped for chaos. Now it's about mindset. Great sound techs are master problem solvers. Every fix under pressure builds your skills. Don't fear problems. Face them, learn, and improve. Each show is an experiment, every mistake is data. The more you troubleshoot, the faster you'll spot patterns and solutions. Be kind to yourself. Mistakes happen. What matters is learning and adapting. The goal isn't perfection, but progress. Be the calm center of the storm, the hero the show needs. Troubleshooting is what separates pros from amateurs. Build this skill, solve one problem at a time. You now have a process for tackling live sound's biggest headaches. The journey starts with a single, well-checked cable. Get hands-on, and don't fear mistakes. They're how you learn. Share your craziest show problems or best tips in the comments. Let's build a community of problem solvers. Want a one-page troubleshooting flowchart? Comment below. Send me the checklist. Print it, laminate it, keep it in your gig bag. When problems hit, breathe and follow the process. You're a builder, a problem solver, a mythbuster. This isn't too complicated, you've got this. Go be the sound superhero you were meant to be.